Now that we have all of our projection lines, you can sort of see the topography coming into shape. Now keep in mind that the vertical scale and the horizontal scale are not the same. So you can see that our elevations, our vertical scale is very exaggerated compared to this. I mean, think about how long this is. Here's the distance command. This center line is 1,200 feet long. So you can see that this is, this is 600 feet. This is 300 feet. This is 150 feet. And that same distance is only like half a foot when it comes to the vertical. So you can see that the scale is much, much, much smaller, or larger, depending on how you view that. So what we want to do is go ahead and isolate the projection lines layer. And I also want to turn back on the existing ground layer, because that's going to be the one that is our current layer. So I want to go ahead and draw this time a polyline. And all I'm going to do is I've got to put on my endpoint snaps, and I've got to take off ortho mode, and I want to go ahead and do my object snap tracking. That's always a good thing to do. So I'm just going to make sure that I'm not missing any, and I'm just going to start. Let's take off perpendicular and intersection, just endpoint. And I don't even need my dynamic input either. It's just kind of getting in the way. And see, I'm not even near the end, but it doesn't matter because it knows that it is going to snap to the end. That's a big space. You can see I'm using my scroll wheel to zoom and to pan whenever I need it. Zoom is just using the scroll wheel, and pan is to click and hold the scroll wheel, and it turned into a little hand, and I'm done. All right, now that looks great.